Do you know the meaning of these 10 words that begin with the letter A? What is the meaning of abate? To increase in strength or intensity. Or, to become less strong, severe, or intense. The answer is, to become less strong, severe, or intense. The strong winds began to abate in the evening. Her anger slowly abated after they talked. The pain began to abate after he took the medicine. What is the meaning of abhor? To admire or strongly approve of something. Or, to hate or strongly dislike something. The answer is, to hate or strongly dislike something. She abhors the smell of cigarette smoke. He abhors people who bully others. I abhor the idea of cheating to win. What is the meaning of admonish? To praise someone for what they have done. Or, to warn or criticize someone firmly. The correct answer is, to warn or criticize someone firmly. The teacher admonished the student for talking during a lesson. His mother admonished him for coming home late. The manager admonished the employee for repeatedly ignoring the rules. What is the meaning of affable? Friendly, pleasant, and easy to talk to. Or, unfriendly and unwilling to talk to others. The correct answer is, friendly, pleasant, and easy to talk to. The new manager is affable and easy to approach. Our neighbor is an affable man who always stops for a chat. Her affable manner made everyone feel welcome. What is the meaning of ambivalent? Being completely certain about how you feel. Or, having mixed or conflicting feelings about something. The answer is, having mixed or conflicting feelings about something. She felt ambivalent about accepting the new job. He is ambivalent about moving to another country. I enjoy social media, but I'm ambivalent about using it. What is the meaning of ameliorate? To make a bad or difficult situation better. Or, to make a situation worse or more difficult. The answer is, to make a bad or difficult situation better. The new facilities helped ameliorate living conditions. The new policy was introduced to ameliorate working conditions. Planting more trees can ameliorate air quality in cities. What is the meaning of apathy? A strong feeling of interest or enthusiasm. Or, a lack of interest, enthusiasm, or concern. The answer is, a lack of interest, enthusiasm, or concern. He showed apathy towards his schoolwork. She reacted with apathy to the exciting news. Voter apathy resulted in a low turnout of the election. What is the meaning of arduous? Easy and requiring very little effort. Or, very difficult and requiring a lot of effort. The answer is, very difficult and requiring a lot of effort. Climbing the mountain was an arduous journey. She faced the arduous task of clearing the flooded house. Training for the marathon was arduous but rewarding. What is the meaning of astute? quick to understand a situation and make good judgments. Or, unable to understand situations or make good decisions. The answer is quick to understand a situation and make good judgments. The astute shopper compared prices before buying. She made an astute decision to save some of her earnings. His astute observation helped the team spot the problem. And finally, what is the meaning of austere? Luxurious, comfortable, and richly decorated. Or, very plain and simple, without comfort or decoration. The answer is very plain and simple, without comfort or decoration. The room was austere with only a bed and a chair. The office had an austere design with almost no decoration. They lived an austere lifestyle with few possessions. That's the end of the challenge. How many did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments below, and thanks for watching.